So one of my tools for research is going to be Noodle Tools. So I have all my projects organized right here. So I'm going to click on my project, and then within the project you can type in your research question, your hypothesis, or whatever. You can share with people's Dropboxes, or you can also collaborate with other students here. So it like automatically shares your project to whoever you want. And so then you can go to your works cited, and I have all these sources annotated. Basically, you would, every time you would find a new source, you would click, let's say it's a magazine, so you create citation. And then let's say it's on a website, you would type in the name of the website and then fill out all the other information like the author, type of magazine, and the name of the magazine, and then you could type your annotation there. And so that would automatically go to your works cited list, or you could just copy paste the citation and then write your annotation. And you could copy paste these citations from the most of the databases have them, but you'd have to make sure that they're alright. Okay, and then so if you go back to your dashboard, you can also go to each, so you have all your reference sources, and you can click note card. And so you can make note cards on specific quotations in the passage that stand out to you, or specific paragraph sections, or just anything that you want to paraphrase that seems really important, or you can write your own ideas. So that's pretty cool about Noodle Tools. And another thing you can do for Noodle Tools is you can print or export your works cited page. So let's say I'm going to export to Word, and then I just click on my downloads, and that's not my works cited page. There we go. Here is my works cited page, and so here is the citation, and then the annotation is beneath it. And that's it for Noodle Tools. Another one of the research tools that I'm going to use initially is going to be Google Drive. So I already have an honor seminar folder. So here's like proposals, annotations, research checks, research perspective, thesis drafts. So in here I could put in annotated bibs here, or I could create a new folder. Oh, actually that's the share link. I could create new folder. Let's say this is research. Okay. Create research, and then within the research folder I can create other folders called celebrities, say fashion, and technology. And within those folders I could upload a file. Let's say I'm going to upload a picture of Kanye West's new fashion line. So that's going to be right there in celebrities. And I can also create new Google Doc. Oh, yes, that's it. And so then I can just title the document like, let's say source, blah, blah, like the title. Okay, let's call it celebrities. And then I could just paste the annotation and the notes I had. So let's just go ahead back to Noodle Tools. And then grab a random source. So let's take this one for example. I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to paste it right there. And that would be my annotation. But you could also get it from Noodle Tools because you can export the bibliography from Noodle Tools. But otherwise, you could just copy paste, have your notes underneath, and then you can have all your sources organized within the mini within the mini subfolders. Okay. So then also let's go back to the drive. It's not my drive either. Okay, so here is the research folder. Okay. And then honor seminar. So let's say I wanted to move my video on celebrities. Move it to my honor seminar. Okay. And then go to honor seminar. Let's say I want to put it in. Oh. Yeah. Put it in this folder. Okay. And so then go to this folder right here. And then let's say I want to put it in my research and then under celebrities. So basically, Google Drive provides something that Noodle Tools cannot, which is organize the sources by subtopics. So that would be the basis of what I would be doing on Google Drive. And that's it for Google Drive. So the last research source that I'm going to show you is Mendeley. I haven't really tested it out too much. It's more of a newer thing. So what I'm first going to do is I'm just going to add a document to my folder. Let's just pick a random one. Let's say I'm going to pick this photo. Okay, so then the photo would appear there. But okay, I'm going to check out this other one that I downloaded earlier for you. So here is my PDF on clothing, and you can open it up here so you could read it in Mendeley. You can, look, here's the comments I saved earlier. You could highlight comments. See, I saved those earlier. You can make little notes. So let's just note. Like here, this could be like the citation of the thing. And that's how the PDFs work. So you just click there and it brings you automatically to the thing. So here, I'll show you how to, you click select American Apparel. Okay. Highlight. Okay, so actually you just highlight it. And then you can add a note. And so there you would type your comment, basically. And so that's how that part of the PDF works. So you can annotate your PDFs, have your citations on the side for each one, and then more on the organizing thing, you can create new folders. I created one. You just create a folder, click on that, type in the folder name. I created one, celebrities, dragged that in, and another thing you can do, so I could have different folders with different subtopics just like on Google Chrome, but this would be another way of organizing those. And so then you can go to technology and fashion. This is a group I created earlier. Just create groups and go there. And so there's actually like a feed. I could share something random with the group, you know. and it would post there so other people could comment on my work and stuff. So here, members. I haven't added anybody yet, but you can invite people by email. Okay, so documents, I added this document, and so you could see that they can see my annotations that I made earlier on the PDF. And it automatically syncs with the online. So let's see. I want to create a new folder within, rename it. I can rename it celebrities. And so they would basically be able to see, I spelled that wrong, but you get the point. They would be able to see anything that I can see. And that's it for Mendeley. So essentially, you can share it with others, you can organize folders, you can organize sources by subtopics in folders, and you can upload your PDFs, which you can annotate and highlight, make little notes on the citations or notes on specific things that stand out to you. And that is it for Mendeley.